Good afternoon, people. Hope you guys are keeping well. I'd like to share something with you today. Okay. These are drink bottles for biking. So I do about a lot of bikings during the summer and occasionally during the winter, basically. Okay. Now, one of the problems that I sort of come across with the fact that if I leave these bottles outside, the bottles become smelly. So the tip and the bottle itself, these like a smell of mold and things like that, and obviously that's due to the fact that the bacteria is building. Now, what's the way around this? The way around is to sterilize the bottles basically prior to use. Okay. Now, if you can be asked about sterilizing and putting them into a sterilizer with mixing it with water, tablets, and leaving it soaking for so long and so on and so forth, there is an alternative way around that. Okay, and that's the moral of the video basically. Clean the bottle out, okay, and just stick it into your refrigerator, the cooler basically. And I can promise you, okay, that this has been I've been doing this for the last several years now, okay. I can promise you that the bottle will not smell as long as you give it a good clean, the tip and the inside. Just stick it into the chiller basically. And that'll save the day. And I promise you, as I said, and I repeat, that that will simplify a lot of hassle of sterilizing these basically. Should you want to sterilize them, absolutely fine. There's no issues with that. But I've never had to sterilize one of them basically. I've always given it a good flush, clean, chucked it back in the chiller, and that's the end of basically. So that is an alternative way of ensuring that the bacteria doesn't build up and it doesn't smell of mold and funny smells and things like that. Obviously, as we know that the lower the temperature is, the bacteria can't build up on it. And I'm not going to go behind the science on that. You know what I'm on about. This is why we use fridge and freezers and things like that to store food. So yes, give it a try, see what you think, and just wish you all the best. That's all. Take care. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you on my next video. Bye for now.